Yeah, brilliant. We were really confident in our play, but really happy with the 3 points on the board. But we could have played better in some situations on the pitch. But now happy with the 3 points.
You had a great start to the game. You were 2-0 up after 15 minutes. Great goals by Tom O'Sullivan.
Yeah, Tom O'Sullivan's brilliant on the pitch. We know we can get goals for us. He's done it at all levels in the 90s, 70s and 60s. We were really happy to get the 2 goals up in really early in the game, because that steadies us for the rest of the game. Then, but 1 or 2 situations we should have played better.
Be honest, did you expect to be 3-0 up at half time?
No, we didn't expect it at all. We knew that international football was going to be a 19-minute game. To be 3-0 up at half time, we were really happy about that.
You were under pressure in that second half. You conceded 1 goal. How relieved were you to hear the final whistle at the end?
Yeah, we were really relieved in the end, because we knew they were going to come out second half with a lot of pressure, because we were 3-0 up, so they were just going to go for it. They got that goal to put them back in the game, but we held well in the end, and we dealt with it, and we were really happy to hear the final whistle.
And on a personal note, you play for Everton, but you've joined Plymouth now on loan, who play in League Two. How much are you looking forward to joining them and playing first team football?
Yeah, I can't wait. I know they're a big club, and they're in the playoffs at the moment. They want to get back up to League One, and that's why I'm going there. I want to help them onwards and upwards up there, and then on a personal note as well, it'll be brilliant for me to get that league experience under my belt. And then, like Martin has said, he wants me to go there and impress, and then come back for the first team at Everton, and we'll never know.
Well, Gethin, well done tonight, and good luck at Plymouth.
Thank you.